So tonight, Ron and I are trying a couple Aussie Shirazes. Can you say Shirazes? What's the plural of Shiraz?
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 Well, everywhere else in the world it's Shiraz, so...
We're trying a couple Australian wines tonight. But before we get into the wines, we'd like you to hit the little subscribe button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks.
Hi there, and welcome back to our latest installment of Drink This. After a few weeks, already we're running out of guests, so it's just Bruce and I. So we're going to be battling two Shiraz from Australia, Jacob's Creek 2018 and a Yalumba also 2018 . So Bruce, good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you too. I should say good to be seen. My comments.
I guess that all depends on who's seen you.
How come we have no guests this weekend?
I think that after 4 weeks, we've basically exhausted all of
run
our friends.
dry of our friends.
So I guess we're going to have to hit the streets and see who can come up.
Hey, you want some free wine?
Free wine.
Sure.
That works.
Who knows?
So introduce your wine.
All right. This episode of Drink This, we're doing a bottle of South Australian Shiraz, right? Called Shiraz.
Shiraz. Everywhere else in the world, I believe it's known as Shiraz.
It sounds nicer, doesn't it?
Shiraz. Yes.
So we're drinking Shiraz from Australia. This is a Yalumba. It's organic, which is why I was really excited to taste it.
Is it made with real organs?
Real grapes.
Oh, that's good.
Real grapes.
It must be real wine.
So we'll try this one first.
Let's do that.
Ron's got Jacob's Creek, also Shiraz, which we'll get to momentarily.
So shall we pour the Jacob's Creek as well?
Yes, please. More wine is fine. Yalumba sounds like, it sounds happy. Sounds like a happy grape. Doesn't it? Let's have some Yalumba.
I like that.
Yeah.
See, it's already making you happier.
Well, we're drinking wine tonight.
And what we do
that makes me happy. Makes me happy. It's my happy place.
Okay, be in your happy place.
Not bad. I get a bit of dark fruit in there.
I do as well.
A few things. Like it's for the price. So we're going to talk about the prices later, but it's nice.
I'm for the price of.
Should we tell them the prices?
I think we should, because we are, if it's a $800 bottle of wine and we say it tastes like so.
The Yalumba, I'm gonna do that every time. Okay. The Yalumba is $16.95 Canadian. I'll convert that in the notes below to US dollars.
Which is a very decent price. As
for organic.
For organic.
Excellent price for an organic wine that's tasty. Without going into too much detail, I'm giving it one of these right off the bat.
Okay, well, I don't think that it's a fine wine. There's not much going on, but
it's $16.95.
It's
you ever had a fine wine for $16.95?
Maybe.
Where do you shop? Sounds odd saying it's clean, but it's organic, so you're thinking it doesn't have all the typical chemicals and additives that many wines do, and you can sort of taste that in a wine.
So let's try the chemicals and compare.
All right. Well, I can't say it.
So let's try the Jacob's Creek. So let's try the Jacob's Creek and compare. So this is non-organic.
I love the sound of it. Let's do that again. It's lovely. Lovely. The sound of
Cristal.
Lovely.
So this is a reserve, so it should be a step above the regular cuvée. Now it says there should be hints of licorice and spice.
What kind of spice? Did it just say spice?
It just says spice.
That could be anything from cinnamon
Paprika.
to curry.
It could be. So if you
don't want curry in your wine. I don't get any licorice in this.
I do.
Yeah?
I don't detect any spices, although I do get some licorice. Funny, to the nose, I prefer this one.
Oh, yeah?
I prefer the Jacob's Creek. Taste-wise, on the palate, the Yalumba. Yalumba is I prefer. There's a little more on the palate. It's a little longer in the mouth, and I basically at the end of the day, I prefer the Yalumba for that reason.
Yalumba, by the way, is Australia's oldest vineyard. I think they've been around since mid to late 1800s. So they know their stuff, certainly, and I think it's the same family that continues to own it.
The Yalumba family?
You know what? I don't know their name.
Oh.
Yalumba. I just like saying it. Yalumba. What a great sound for a bottle of wine. It's like Fantasy Island. You're gonna get all sorts of wonderful things.
But this one has like 3 silver things on the side there.
Any gold medals?
I don't see any gold medals on your
They
one.
don't need to boast.
So well put.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Please. Next time you go to a shop, you see the organic Yalumba Shiraz, you can say, hey, my buddies Bruce and Ron on YouTube said that one was pretty good. So you can go in there and grab that one, and you can always let us know what you think about it, but at least you'll know what to buy. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully we can give you a little bit of insight on what we tasted. The whole point is not to show our expertise. It's to tell you which wines we bought, which ones we liked, which ones we didn't like, and we'd love to get your feedback on that.
So we like the Yalumba Organic Shiraz. Give it a shot.
Cheers. Drink this.
Cheerio. You drink? Yeah, you drink. No, but we have a visual to contend with. Seriously, it's a bit annoying.
So, hi and welcome back to our latest installment of Drink This.
What's an installment?
Installment? Hi there and welcome back.
Ow!
Hi and welcome to our latest installment of Drink This. This week, again,
Hang on, she's making all kinds of noise with the things. Now she can be sitting there while we're trying to focus to our friend. If you're gonna eat, can you go for a stroll?
Stuck in my palate.
That'll be discarded. Just remember to do a little pause when we restart.